Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to enable data connection on your laptop in order to save internet data consumption that you are using on your PC. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you turn on your internet browsing data. And the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and make sure you access your internet icon right here. Right click on it. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Open Network and Internet Settings. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to Property right here. Then scroll down right here until you get to Set as Meta Connection right here. What you need to do right here is to make sure you turn on this particular button. Once you turn on this particular button, your internet data has been set as Meta Connection, and by doing that, you are reducing cost of data consumption on your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.